everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this fiery / lion eye makeup look. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get right on into the video. So I have my makeup done, everything except for my eyes. Obviously, I look like a ghost. But before you actually want to put any eyeshadow on your lids, you want to make sure that you have concealer and you want to have some powder. But once you have that done, we can go ahead and get on into the makeup look. So for the very first shade, I'm going to be using the Morphe palette, and this is the natural Morphe palette. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm taking a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be taking myself because I'm beautiful. And I'm going to be putting this on my lid and just kind of dusting this on. And this is really good and helpful. So you have a nice shade that's a foundation that's also your skin color. So I'm really just dusting this all over my lid. But now that we have our natural color, we can actually go ahead and start adding some color. So the palette I'm going to be using in this tutorial is the Kara Cosmetics palette. Look at this gorgeousness. I love this palette. But the shade we're going to be using is this one. This is just a yellow shade. It doesn't have any names. It's the yellow shade in the palette. If you own the palette or buy it, it's the only yellow shade in the palette, so you really can't miss it. I'm blending this into my crease. And how I'm doing this is I'm packing the shade, the color, into my crease and really just spending some time packing it in there. And once it's all packed in, I'm going to blend it out. Like so. And I'm going to repeat this step on the other eye. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a slightly darker shade. I'm going in with the orange shade. And I'm really like packing this into the lid itself, not really the crease, more like this part of my eye. And I'm packing that in all over it. The next shade I'm using is actually in another palette, not the Kara Cosmetics one. It is in the Peach Dream from Prism Makeup. And the palette itself looks like this. And then the colors all look like this. And these are gorgeous colors. They're all super pigmented. I totally recommend getting this one. I got it off of Amazon. The shade I'm using is, this one is called the shade Tart. I'm using Tart, same brush. And I'm blending this into my outer crease. And I'm just using a tiny, tiny bit at a time. So I'm just going to keep blending these colors in until I have a nice look. So after we have blended in those colors, I'm going to go in with a slightly darker shade. And this is this shade right here, Trifle. And I'm taking this angle brush and I'm adding it right to the very edge. I'm not even using it for any other color. I'm just really like packing it into the very, very edge of my eye. So now we're going to do the cut crease. For the cut crease, I'm just using a concealer brush. This is a very thin one. I'm going to take the Revolution concealer and apply some of that. And what I'm going to do for this is I'm basically just going to take this and add it to my line and then drag it out and then blend it in a little bit so it's not as crazy as it looks. So this is what I'm going with. I'm going to set it with some setting powder. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. It's really good. And now I'm going to go in with some more orange to really go over it so that it blends in with the look I'm going for. So I'm just kind of packing in the orange in the middle of my lid. So I'm going to go in with a little more Tart at the very edge. And I'm blending that in with the orange. So the last thing that we're going to do is add some white to the very inner corner. So I'm using this white one. It's just the white one. It's in the shade Cobbler. I'm just pressing that onto my inner corner. This is what the eye looks like right now, and I love it so much. It's so pretty. Now I'm gonna do the eyeliner, so I'll be right back to you guys. So I'm not doing a wing today. I literally just did a liner on top, so it helps blend in with the lashes I'm gonna do, because I'm doing lashes. And now I'm gonna do the lashes. These are good enough. Just a disclaimer, I am not good at lashes, just so we're clear. And I feel like I look like a doll when I do have lashes on, so it's not my favorite look. But the eye makeup is stunning. The last thing I'm going to do is some highlight. So yeah, that is my makeup. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I guys hope you enjoyed it. I'm not a pro at makeup at all, but this is just my makeup look. I hope this was helpful. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have any makeup looks you would like for me to do. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!